Your Captain SCV speaking. Welcome back to the best live stream in the world with the best algorithms, the best platform, the best everything, man. The best entertainment. We're going to talk that talk today, huh? All right, let's see. All right, guys. So, everybody, I appreciate you guys showing up again for the afternoon stream. Make sure you guys hit that, slap the literal living fuck out of the like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Spreading these streams out to some more people. Again, nobody else has an algorithm that can do what it does. Nobody else has a strategy that can do what it does. Nobody else has a system that it can do what it does. So team, a little bit of housekeeping before we get into the charts over here. Remember, you're running out of time. Time is running out, man. You have until Friday to get in for this 2 weeks for free before, boom, gone. So again, if you miss this and you're one of those people that's been sitting on the sidelines, kind of like, oh, wow, I see all these people changing their lives, making money in the market all day long. I would love to be one of them. Now's the time, man. No better time to start than today. But again, that 2 weeks for free is going away. Make sure you guys take advantage of that before it expires on Friday. So the link is pinned to the top of the live chat. And for all you guys that want to upgrade to the lifetime payment plan or the 3-year plan, which actually has the best bang for your buck out of any of our tiers, make sure you guys reach out to Diana by the end of the day. We're going to have an awesome masterclass set up for you guys this weekend. Gabe's going to be starting those 9:30 a.m., I believe, streams very soon. And you guys are all going to get access to Speed Racer 2 weeks before everybody else. So some more exclusivity for you guys. So again, if you guys want to do that, reach out to Diana. But team, last call for 2 weeks free. 4.8% on the port today. Samuel, that's awesome. Jed Welch, 10.31 today. There you guys go. Mr. Music just made your first trade. Signed up yesterday. Free trial. Started at 1,000. Ended at 1,189. I'm a believer. 18% in out. Thanks, Captain. Mr. Music, aren't you happy you finally hopped in, buddy? That is fucking awesome. This is the best thing ever, man. Even the new people are coming in and absolutely stealing money from the market. You'd have to be a real moron to not take advantage of this 2 weeks for free. You're missing out on the opportunity of a lifetime. But again, people in general don't like to seize opportunities. So if you're going to be one of those people that gets left behind, you're just going to be like the rest of the 99% out there. So team, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We did have this nice little traffic light to the downside on the SPY here. It's been traffic light city on the SPY today here, dude. Traffic light, you get in here, 394.77, all the way up, $2 move on the SPY. You get this nasty one down. You get this nasty one up. You even get this one to the downside here too. Even if you were to get chopped around in here, you hit these moves in the morning, you fucking nailed it, dude. Like absolutely nailed it. So congratulations, everybody. Just following the traffic lights. How can you be an affiliate? You just go over here. You go into your account settings. You look at you hit the sign up for the ambassador program, and then you are good to go. And then I will approve you guys right away to be affiliates. All right, folks, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Keep getting it going. We're spreading the best info out here possible. US 30. You mean the Dow? What's up with the Dow? Let's see. Do you send out a stop to your entire position or just the runners you left after scaling out? Just the runners I left scaling out. But Mr. Music, dude, you made 118. You made 18% on your fucking account, and it's day one, bro. We're just gonna keep doing what we do over here, and we're gonna keep leaving people in the dust. I love it. All right, folks. So SPY kind of already made this move here. Let's see if we get another traffic light to the upside. I'm already up 3.5% for the day, so I don't really need to do anything else. I really don't. I could if I wanted to try to push it a little bit, which I might. We'll see if we get a big move towards the end of the day here. But let's see what happens, man. You're down 1,200 on US 30. What did you do? I don't understand. Like you're okay. So I'm guessing you're treating it like the Forex guys call it US 30 usually. So like, are you trading it like how are you trading that? I don't understand. The whole chart is bearish. Are you up on it? The whole chart, according to everything that we teach you in the system, like I can pull up like the Dow if we really wanted to, but like you could just look at the SPY as well. On the daily here, this thing is screaming bearish at you with this traffic light. So again, guys, I feel terrible that for the people that aren't using the traffic lights with us. But again, not everybody's built for success, dude. I mean, there's a lot of bullshit out there, chart patterns, nonsense, all this other stuff that people are trying to shove in your heads. Bullshit, bro. From last week, even last week, man, this whole thing is screaming bearish. If you chase it up into here and you were buying up at these levels, like I'm just looking at the SPY here. Let me see. Oops. Like if I just look at this, it's the same thing. You're getting clapped. Like this whole thing, rip up, consolidate. This is all screaming bearish at you over these last like 8 days. So I don't know what you've done over there. You're on it. You just don't want to sell it on losses. Oh my God, guys, this is probably the most important thing that you guys have to realize about trading. This comment here is so important. Listen up, everybody. Hit that like button on the way in. Please listen up. This is going to save you guys so much money in the long run. It's insane. So what this individual is saying here, and I'm not trying to single you out here. I'm really trying to help you. So if you have a position that goes down a certain percentage and you don't want to take the loss because the loss is too large, you're trading with too much size. What you need to do is predefine your risk before you enter the trade so that you know what the worst case scenario is. And if that worst case scenario, like in this case, is too much for you to handle so that when the trade goes against you, you are going to emotionally think, I don't want to cut this because I don't want to realize that loss, you are going to struggle, buddy. So again, size it down. Make sure you're predefining your risk on the way in to the trade. But dude, that's a problem that I see a lot of people have. You can't be trading like that. Most of us used to do that. Exactly. Not anymore, though. Not with 1348, dude. You're going to start using stop and profits when I can afford more than one contract. Smart man. Smart man. SV stop loss video has helped your gains. Thank you, guys. Yeah, all those videos are linked in the description of this one. If you guys haven't watched them yet, you're doing yourself a disservice. Let's see. Oh, Scuba Steve, day 3. Oh, this is awesome, too. This is awesome, too. Scuba Steve, I love this. Ready? Day 3 on the trial. Still learning. $1,000 paper account up 50%. If that keeps up at the end of the week, I'm not looking for a new job anymore. I didn't read that part of the message. You should definitely still look for a new job. Definitely still look for a new job. I think it's amazing that in 3 days, your account is up 50% and the system speaks for itself. Again, that's why we've been talking about this and showcasing our members' gains. That's why I'm able to have these millionaire interviews with our members, guys. But speaking on this part here too, where you're talking about looking for a new job, you want to put off trading full time for as long as possible. You always want to have I don't know what your situation's like, but you always want to have some sort of other income coming in. Trading is stressful and risky enough as it is. If you're going to enter the trade and think, I need to pay my rent, or I need to make this trade work, or I can't pay my rent, or I need to make enough money to pay my rent in this trade, that's a different level of emotional stress that you're going to put yourself under. So you've literally just started in your 2-week free trial. I think it's awesome that you're having success starting off on paper. I think it's great. You haven't even gotten to real money yet, buddy. You haven't even gotten to the emotional, the actual part of the real, like, emotional managing your risk while you're in the trades. Seriously, be careful with that. Don't be fucking around. Just like quitting your job to trade when you made $500. Please be careful with that. I still think it's awesome though. Like, it's really good. Let's see. Still up 16.3% for the port for the day and done. Attaboy. You're financially stable, laid off last week. I mean, I would still do it, man. I don't know. It's up to you at the end of the day. If you want to take on more risk in your trading, that's cool. But I would say that there's way smarter ways to go around it. I think a lot of people want to do the whole escape the 9-to-5 thing. I think it's great if you can do things on your own, but at the same time, I think it's going to always help you in your trading to have less of an attachment to the money that you're using, and you know that you have other money coming in. But let's see here, team. We are 10 likes away from 50. I appreciate that, everybody. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the way in. But again, the 2-week free trial ends Friday. So if you want to come in and change your life, be a part of this amazing community, an amazing platform, awesome. We'd love to have you. If not, sorry, you're going to get left behind. What's the news on the month of March? What do you mean? What do you mean? Wayne, I hate to say this, but you're probably going to if you continue trading the way that you are. Is it a good or bad time to buy in March? Dude, Nature Sound by Kitchen. We built this platform and this whole system for people like you. That doesn't matter. My opinion of telling you whether or not it's a good time to buy does not matter. You have to realize this. People that are in my position on this other side of the screen, it's in their beneficial interest to try and throw out random things and tell you guys what to do. in order to make them seem smarter than they actually are. That's not what we do around here. We will never do that. We flip that whole shit on its head. What we do is, okay, what's the chart saying? Now, in your example right here, I actually don't give a flying fuck about what the market's going to do in March. Don't care. I really don't. Because if I'm trading on these 1-minute traffic lights, like siphoning money out from the market every single day, why do I care where the market's going to go over the next month? I don't. I'm looking at it in terms of like a 30-minute period. Now, again, if you're talking about long-term stocks, well, again, it doesn't matter, because if you're looking at stocks over the long term, it's like, well, okay, if you like the company and you see value in it right now, it's up to you at the end of the day. It's all subjective. What's not subjective is, what is the traffic light telling you right now? It's simple. Keep it simple. You're buying 1348 today. Well, lucky for you, you don't have to buy anything until 2 weeks. You sign up, you get 2 weeks for free, and you are good to go. Yeah, but because you didn't get the notification, I posted that Invictus called BBY at 10:37, trade 1348. They're over there talking sharp patterns and bullshit. Oh no, led to the slaughter. Good afternoon, team. Up 1.3% on the port today. Slowly but surely becoming Rita. Yeah, dude, Rita's a fucking beast. I think by next week, we're going to have a interesting idea of how Rita's going to do. You got a question about RSI, KPR Supreme? Ask it, buddy. Let me know. What's your question, pal? All right, guys. 9 likes away from 50. I appreciate that. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. We got a lot of slackers in here. We got 152 of you guys in here so far, and there's 40 likes. That's ridiculous. What are you guys doing? Cost you nothing. Let's see. Let's see here. QQQ ready for a reversal? Back up. Let's take a look. Getting there. It's getting there. I don't know. See, I've done this a few times in the past where, like, I'll nail it for the first part of the day, and then it's like, well, should I continue trading? Probably not, man. I mean, well, 3.5% for the day. That's fucking crazy. Eli. Fuck it. Stop. Whatever you're doing, fucking stop. You are doing things completely wrong. You can't almost blow your port with our strat. What the fuck are you doing? I'm going to get pissed at you now. What the fuck is wrong with you? Because when you guys do dumb shit like that, it means that I'm not teaching you guys well enough. How the fuck have you almost blown your account today? You're not listening to the things that we're telling you, buddy. Crushing it again, 8.74% on the day. There you go, Moonboy. Moonboy's new as well. You got it emotional on a trade. You cannot do that. You cannot do that and have success in the market. Let me say it again. You get emotional on a trade and you continue doing that, you're fucked. You have to realize that there are going to be people like basically, we have this community and it's amazing. But at the end of the day, we're almost all competing against each other. Like, I look at Twitter a lot of the time and I see the fucking moronic shit that they say over there on Reddit, Twitter, Weeble comment section. And I pray to God every single day that they are on the other side of my trade. Every single time. I'm like, please take the other side of my trade. Because they're emotional. And I'm going to beat them every time because I'm able to manage my emotions better than they are. Trading is a game of risk management and managing your emotions. Strategy's great. Our strategy fucking prints. But if you have no risk management, you're going to struggle. Never traded an option before in your life? Moonboy, dude, I don't think you guys see the power of this. Moonboy's never traded an option before in his life. He came in, used the strategy. He's up what? What do you say? What? 8.74% of the day? You fucking animal. 12.7% of the day trying to exit your SPY puts? Guys, you're in the right place. Good for you guys. Good for you guys. Let's get after it today. Let's see what we're going to get going into the end of the day, team. And let's get after it, man. If the moving average line is below the other line, like this, yeah, okay. So basically, our side, like it's above the moving average. And it touches a spot where the moving average was previously. This is confusing to me. If the moving average line is below the other line, yep, and it touches a spot where the moving average was previously, and if it's previous, it doesn't really matter. Technically, you made 80 cents. It's hard for me to explain. Yeah, I don't get what you're saying. All right, Eli. I mean, that's fine. You got out alive. You got out alive. I mean, again, I have situations like that too. Everybody has them where they'll do something stupid, they'll get caught in a trade, and you're like, well, that's interesting. It happened to me, but the thing is, the difference is that I'm able to navigate my way out of it. That's the thing. Like, I know exactly where to how to get myself effectively out of trades that like if I get a knife candle against me and I'm looking at stuff, I'll look and see quick news, see what's going on, all that nonsense. But you really can't be getting emotional on these trades. Sold your SPY puts at 57%. Richard, you fucking animal, dude. Yeah, SPY slipping down a little bit here. I might make some short form videos about Rita too. We got some fun shit coming on. Let's see. Happens to all of us. I need to work a little harder at keeping your anger in check. Yeah, you do. You're not going to have success in the market that way. It is what it is, man. Listen to here's the other thing, Eli, that I'm going to point out to you. Rita doesn't do that shit. The first Rita that we brought out this week is up 20%. Following the rules that we teach you guys that we just input into it. If you're going to vary away from the rules that we teach you, what happens? You see this constantly. You see people say, oh, well, when I follow the rules that you guys teach us, it goes very well. And when I try to do my own thing, it goes very poorly. So stop doing the other shit. Boo! Nobody's fucking thought of that before, huh? Jesus. All right, guys. Sorry. I'm fired up today. 1K account. What should you do? Hop in the platform, buddy. Let's get it going. What's his name? Kenny turned 100 into 800 fucking last month alone. 700% return, 800% return there. Hop in, man. Let's get after it. You got 2 days left to get in for your 2-week free trial, or else, nope, no more free. You can't find the charts on the site. Okay, so what you do is this. So you let's go to 3-minute crosses. So you just click this one, Micron. So when you go to this 1348 custom chart download, when you download this, it'll pop it up for you. And if you have a TradingView Pro account, which is what you can then go and copy the chart, save it. You can throw it on any ticker, any time frame, and you're good to go. And again, even if you guys come in for your 2-week free trial and for some God knows reason you don't like it, which is not going to happen, you get to keep the chart anyway. You took 5 SPY trades and you thought you were taking too many trades, but they were all low risk, all finished green. Good shit, dude. 3.97% for the day and done. You fucker. Now God damn it, Pepe. You played this move down, didn't you, you asshole? How's my back? It's good. Where do I see Tesla ending near today? That's the wrong question. Guys, you're asking the wrong questions. You're asking the wrong questions. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I need you guys to get this through your heads. All of these other people out there are shoving this bullshit into your minds that does not work. That's child's play. I don't think you understand. You're fucking around in just like this other that doesn't matter. I'm not getting frustrated. Like, I don't care. I could talk about this calmly if I wanted to. But I need you guys to understand. Me saying where I think Tesla's going to go at the end of the day today is useless to everybody. It doesn't matter. It's a waste of our time. Here's why. Because all we really need to do is say, okay, take a step back. What are we actually looking to do in the market? We're looking to capitalize on short-term moves. How are we going to best do that? Well, traffic lights are the best way to do this. Okay, so if I see a traffic light to the downside or the upside on Tesla and the risk reward looks good, I'm slinging it. Do I give a shit where it goes after that? No. My risk reward is good. I know what my defined max risk is. And I know that I'm going to scale out between 5 and 15%, throw a stop at break even if it goes in my favor, and then let it go. After that, I don't give a flying fuck where it goes. It's just free money. I'm trying to get you guys have to think about the market in a different way than all these other idiots out there because they're shoving bullshit down your throats and it's so bad for you. It's so bad. You're trading from 35,000 feet today? There you go, Dustin. There you go, buddy. Guys, I can't stress this enough. Just keep it simple, follow the traffic lights, and you will be in for success. You got to stop overcomplicating stuff. It doesn't matter where I think the stock's going to go at the end of the day. It matters zero. RSI on SPY. Yeah, it's turning back up. It's turning back up here. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Help spread these streams out to some more people. I hope you guys are finally seeing it. Also, I'm going to cause some emotional damage today. I hope you guys fucking see. I listened to 5 minutes of the AMC earnings call yesterday. Do you fucking get it now? They're worried about delisted because Ape was a fucking scam. I'm coming for everybody. It's fucking bullshit. Looks like I was right. Kiss the ring, dum-dums. You're welcome for the warning. Fucking over here sending me death threats. Yeah, I'm still alive and I'm right. I'm coming for everybody today, bro. We have the Rita. We have fucking traffic lights killing it. Oh, dude, that earnings call was terrible. I was like, oh, I'm bored. I'm sitting here. Oh, fuck. Oh, it's on. And I turned it on and I was like, oh, no. Bend the knee. They should. But they won't. They'll just keep losing money in the market. Yeah, KPR Supreme. I'm trying to see what you mean here. If you mean like this, like I get it, but I wouldn't do that. I don't know what you're talking about here. Now send SPY up. I'll rant all day long. What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do? Say you're chill. You get paid by a hedge fund. You think I'd be still doing this if I was getting paid by a hedge fund, bro? Mr. Music. I mean, that was your choice. Good for you, buddy. Now you're up 18%. Good for you. Let's see. Longer time frame trades. John, I can, but here is probably what's going to be the best thing for you to actually go watch there, bud, is this. So I posted a video. Hold on, right here. Let's see. All right, guys. So I posted a video last week. This one right here goes over everything you need to know with the traffic lights with longer time frames. Make sure you guys go watch that one. It was tough to de-ape. I mean, if the vote passes, there's an ARB opportunity. But the way that he was saying it too, I was like, you're fucking blatantly lying to shareholders. I'm like, you can't say that it's going to, like, he was like, oh, the prices will converge at a higher price and there won't be a difference. No fucking shit, you dumbass. They fucking become the same thing. Watch what's about to happen. It's not going to be fun for these people that didn't listen to us. Sorry. Fired up today. I got coffee in my system. My belly's rumbling. I'm sick. I'm causing emotional damage. I love this shit, bro. I love helping you guys make money. Do you guys playing SPY light to light on the 1 minute? You keep losing and taking small profits. My losers are bigger. Light to light's good. Light to light's good, but I would just use the normal stop loss strategy. That's how I've been killing it. I scale out, throw a stop at break even, shut the phone off. That's what I do. Up 1.5% on the port and 2 SPY trades done for the day. Thank you, 1 minute traffic lights. Attaboy, Jerry. Good shit, dude. Good shit, buddy. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's see if we can get to 100 pretty quick. I feel like we could. I feel like you guys have it in you. Calm down before I throw you back out again. Let's see. Oh, what did Albago say? Hold on, let me switch this over here. Who's calling me? Oh, that's not gonna work right now. Hold on, 1 sec. What did where's Albago? I don't see him in here. I don't see what he said. It's just not coming through. That's what you do? I mean, it's just like, yeah, usually I mean, yeah, I could play it traffic light to traffic light, but usually I don't. I'm usually scaled out before the next one comes, or I'm out of the trade before the next one comes. Let's see here. How's Tessie looking? Are they gonna pump Tessie or Stressla into the investor day? Isn't that after close today? Huh. That could get spicy. That could get spicy. Are you in control mode today? How do you take money out of a paper account? You don't. Ah! Ah! Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. All right, folks. How we doing today? 4 p.m. Okay. Yeah, I have top chat. I just switched it to live chat, and usually it pops it up. Elbago, what'd you do? I'm hoping that it's good news because I was trying to help you a little bit yesterday. John's doing amazing. Oh, I bet you did. I bet you are. I know what you were planning on doing after the morning stream. I hope that was a fun time for you and you wore protection. So, okay. He won a loss. That's I don't know what that means. That's a bit confusing to me, but you know, it is what it is. I'll give my wife for you to trade for you. I don't want your damn wife, Wayne. I got enough hoes to deal with as it is. Risk management. There you go. Let's see. That wasn't very nice. Only some of them are hoes. Let's see. Sorry. Okay, there goes Tessie. All right, let's see what Spy wants to do. She comes with nice stuff. What kind of nice stuff? What am I getting? Like a gift basket? Like, hold on, hold on. I gotta change the camera really quick. Hold on. I gotta brighten this thing up over here. There we go. We'll do that. We'll do that for now. It's like dark out today, bro. It's always dark as shit over here. Astro, yeah, it's still 69. It's going up soon, though. It's going up soon. Is she coming with a gift basket? I don't what kind of gift basket do you give to somebody that you're also giving your wife to? Like, I don't fucking know. It's a weird thing to do, pal. That's interesting there, Wayne. All right, well, let's see what Spy wants to do here. Oh, traffic lighty up to the upside there. That's pretty sweet. That's pretty sweet. Thanks. I'm out here pimping the referral game. There you go, Astro. Go make some money. Yeah, everybody. If you refer like 3 people, your monthly membership's free. Let's see. I think I got some affiliates I got to approve. Yeah, what's up, team? Comes with accessories. Batteries not included. Stop. Stop. What kind of batteries? D? Holy hell, had to stop back in for this. Doubled the port this month. Thank you, 1348. I'm gonna throw this link to the free trial in one more time in the live chat for you guys here. Get your asses in. This is nuts, bro. This is nuts. There you guys go. 2 weeks for free opportunity ends Friday. Get yourselves in there before it's too late and you get left behind forever. Lithium. If you're in the trial, then the membership price goes up. Do we still get the previous price when we start our trial? Yeah, you guys are good. Stupid. Everybody that's in platform right now, linked up, good to go. You guys are all good to go. But prices are going up. 2-week free trials ending. Get it while you still can. Let's see. All we do is just go number one. All right. Sorry, couldn't help yourself. I know, Moto. I know, buddy. It's hard to help yourself, you know? A lot of people struggle helping themselves. Nope, stop. Nope. Let's see if Desi's gonna get a move here. Where's Mr. Spy? Doesn't like that 1 minute 48 there. Yeah, it has a traffic light. I don't like this here. It hasn't made a large enough move for me to be like, yeah, back to this. This is just traffic light, traffic light. If it confirms down here, you would have just been, okay, you're entering at the retest, but you're only down what? 15 cents? It's nothing. And she has a Mercedes paid for. Wayne, I can't have you sitting in here trying to offer your wife to me, bro. That's not really how we work things over here. You can't just be like, "I'll give you my wife." Like, how would she feel if you knew if she knew that you were saying this? Probably not great. Probably not good. See, like, I can say shit like this, like, and be like, "Oh, I'll just go find a new one," because I don't have the fear of having half of my shit taken. Once you sign those papers, you can't be saying shit like that anymore, pal. So, probably as long as you agree. So, like, I can run up in here and just be like, "Yeah, whatever. I'm not gonna tolerate your bullshit. Just go." You can't. If she leaves, she's taking half her shit with you. We can't be fucking around like this, guys. Come on now. Oh, Diamond Dog. There you go, buddy. It's probably her idea. Sorry. You can't be doing that, guys. What? Your wives are gonna hate you. And then you're gonna be stuck in a sexless marriage with a fear of having half your shit taken all the time. Come on now. Oh, here we go. El Bago. Thank you. 0.06% loss was a win for me today. I've been getting real low. Good. Attaboy. KPR. Dude, isn't it fucking crazy how terrible like I like the guy, but like at the same time, it's like if anybody's not with us on this journey with us in our platform, at the end of the day, it's like they better get ready for what's coming. What if she has more better stuff? It'd be very hard to have better stuff than I don't know. You'd have to have some really good stuff. So I just went stop loss hunting a little bit there. Stay away from marriage and join the community. And if you want to be smart with your life, yeah. You thought wife offerings were mandatory? No, don't be offering me your wife, dude. I don't want her. Because if you don't want her, why would I? Why would I? If you're like, bro, take her. To me, I just don't, it makes me want her even less. Kind of stuff we talking about? Real good stuff, Lane. Real good stuff. Like, think about that. Like, if I came to you and we're just gonna use it. Nah, people are gonna get mad at me for this example. Never mind. 31 and in real estate, 1348 going to buy me a bunch more properties. There you go, buddy. There you go, man. All right, team. We're 19 likes away from 100. Thank you for all of you guys who have done it already, and special shout out to those of you guys who are about to say it. I mean, this isn't a bad one, but like, imagine like I had a car and you didn't really know anything about the car. And I was I don't want to say frantically, but I'm like, take the car. You're gonna be like, what's wrong with the car? Like, that's literally what you're gonna be like. You're gonna be like, what's wrong with the car? Why are you trying to give me this car so bad? You would faster buy lifetime than a wedding ring? Yeah, it's a better idea. It's going to serve you better in the long run. Marriage is half porting your net worth. It's fine. Just sign a prenup and don't marry a shitty one. Have a nice one. That benefit, like that you're mutually beneficial with. It's that simple. Easier said than done, though. Just needs an oil change because you need a car. I don't need a car though. You know what I do? Uber. sorry. All right, so let's see what Spy's gonna do here. It's bouncing out this 394.30 level again. I'm just Ubering, bro. I don't need to own a car. I just need to Uber. I'm just Ubering, pal. You're looking at it the wrong way. Oh no, I'm looking at it the right way. Let's see. Yeah, King Dow, you got to get those impulses in check, bud. I mean, there were some nasty opportunities back here at 12:55. I was hunting this one. I just didn't take it. I was like, stopped out at 15. I mean, why 15? Why'd you let it go down to 15? The chart didn't tell you. He just say he rents. Yeah, dude, I don't own the car. I just Uber. Takes me from point A to point B. Get to where I need to go. Say goodbye to the driver. Give him a tip. Send them on their way. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I do Uber a lot, though. All right, folks. What are we going to get here? Stay in the open market. Yeah. All right. Let's see. All we do is just go number one. All right. Where's Tassie? Why do we have Netflix over here? Fancy chopping around. Yeah, I don't see much I like right now that you don't expect gifts. I appreciate gifts. It's hard to get me gifts, though. I don't really need much. Let's see. Dude, Scuba Steve, it's just like trading. It's like amateur traders are focused on how much they can win. It's pro traders are worried about how much they can lose. Netflix paid, I bet it did. Can you rant about how you need to become super picky with trades and have them convince you it's the perfect trade? That rant helped me. I think it will help King Dow. Is it clipped somewhere? Because I mean, it's basically like I don't have a analogy that's popping into my head here, but you want to wait for those higher probability setups, man. Like if you're chopping around like we were talking about up here, like you started to see some consolidation up in here. Like I'm not taking these. Like these wouldn't make sense. This is where I'm taking it down here with risk at the 200. Let's see. 15 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. Hopefully I did a little jump stick error there for you guys. All right, folks. That's what I was getting at. You married a sugar mama? Oh, good for you. Good for you, buddy. You're flipping the script on its head. Good for you. Let's see here. Break it, Spy? It might. It might. I mean, this is a nice little scalp traffic light to the downside. You get this at right here, 59. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one there. This 1 minute is fire when that 48 EMA gets crossed cleanly. You can expect a move, especially if everything on the chart's lining up with confluences. Exactly, bro. Exactly. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. It's everything you've ever wanted. All 200 something of you guys in here right now. Everything you've ever wanted out of the market has been right in front of you the entire time, and you've just been too scared to take advantage of it. You get to a point when you're trading where, like, and I think a lot of you guys have seen this. You'll get very excited for green days and you'll be like, oh, this is awesome. But when you get to a point where you just come to expect being green and you make money, you're emotionally dead inside. You'll make thousands of dollars in a day and you'll be like, whatever, bro. Still not where you want to be yet. And you just continuously print and keep going. So you have to be ready to win. Went 2 for 3 on my trades today. Learning has occurred. Attaboy, Chad. Like, that's the thing I think we haven't talked about a lot here, too. It's the psychology of being a profitable trader and winning. Some of you guys don't know what to do when you win because you haven't been there. You haven't experienced it enough times. You know what to do when you lose. Here's a great example of this. If you go down a bunch in your trade, like in the morning, and then you start nailing them and you hit these giant trades to get yourself back to even, you are basically telling yourself that, like, oh, I'm just going to gamble my way back to profit. You don't know what it's like to be up green consistently every single day, and give yourself that wiggle room to then take those types of trades that are effectively risk-free. And the other thing too is in another way to kind of look at this here, how a lot of people don't necessarily understand what to do when they're actually green, is that if you guys are up over 1, 2, 3% for the day, what do? You keep trading and you give it back. You don't know what to do when you're green. Focus on that. Locking in those gains, putting the power of compounding on your side, and you will be good to go. Let's see. See what Spy wants to do here. You don't know when to quit. If I would be green almost every day. Yeah, I mean, think about it. It's simple. When I'm up for the day, what am I doing? What have we talked so much about? Lock it in those gains. If you're up, a lot of you guys have these big days, sometimes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10%, maybe even more than that. It's like, okay, you can risk a percentage of your gains. It's so simple. Trading is not difficult. I've said this many times. Trading in and of itself is not a difficult thing to do because everybody knows what they should and should not do in the market. It's your emotions getting the best of you that fucks you over. King Dow, you are doing things right now that I've warned against many times, even though it's very similar to the MACD. This type of mindset that you have of, oh, I'm going to try to incorporate this other thing into my trading. 1 is going to give you analysis paralysis and other things to look at. 2 is straying away from the system that we teach you guys every single day. Rita follows exactly what we teach you guys. What is Rita doing? Fucking printing. Stop trying to change things. What we teach you guys works very, very, very well. Manage your emotions, manage your risk, and you'll have success. Like when people come in here and they're like head and shoulders, I literally want to fucking jump out a window. I'm like, stop. It doesn't fucking matter. Sorry, that came out harsh, but just keep it simple, guys. Keep it simple. You got to learn to walk away more. Yeah, I mean, like, here's the most interesting thing that I've found with trading after like really like having long like streaks of green. You don't feel anything when you're big green. You don't feel it anymore. You're just like, okay, I'm green. You literally don't feel shit. I'm up 3.5% on my account right now, and it's just numbers on a screen, bro. That's all it is. Numbers on a screen. I'm not gonna like freak out to like and have like be in a wildly great mood because I'm up 3.5%. No, I don't care. It's just numbers on a screen to me. Not a hedge fund. What's up, buddy? I remember everybody screaming SPY bull flag breakout at 408. Exactly. Remember the day? Remember the Alibaba day where everybody was chanting bull flag, and I was just like, "Fuck your bull flag," and just nailed it to the downside on a 5-minute reversal strategy. It's so simple, guys. Keep it simple, man. These chart patterns are bullshit. Here comes SPY. Here comes Tessie. Ooh, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram too. We are almost at 2,600 followers over there. Thank you guys. We are reaching a lot of you guys too over there. We've had some videos go wildly nuts over there. So guys, Short the VIX 1 is the username. It's on, that's the one on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter as well. So make sure you guys are following me on all those other platforms. I got a Rumble now. Let's get after it, man. I've been profiting in the morning, learning to walk away. Good, good. And if you need here's the thing, if you need the trading fix, I mean, you can open a paper trading account and just fuck around with like like if you need to go to paper after you make a bunch of money for the day, perfectly fine. If you also need to continue trading and you want to have real risk on the table, you're literally risking a percentage of the gains that you already made. And okay, so here's kind of how I view things too. If I'm risking a percentage of the gains that I already have and I take a loss and I risk that whatever percentage it is, I'm done. Let's see. Let's see. Some of us just aren't meant to win. Down 1% again, Bluetooth. Yeah, Randy, you are meant to win. You're just approaching it the way that you can't be. I know you had a little stretch there of doing well, but you have to think about things very differently. You're not thinking about you're thinking about the market like another retail investor. You can't think like that. So go back to paper, use that stop loss strategy, and make sure that you're oh, dude, they are okay. They are really fucking with this here. Be careful. This is in this weird choppy consolidation zone that you've seen it in not one, two, three, four, five, six times today. This is like a cuck zone here, it looks like. Like, look at this. You see it consolidate right here. Cool. In this 394 level here, you see it consolidate again here. You see it consolidate again here. You see it consolidate here, here, here. This is nonsense here. Something's going on here where they're like, oh, rip it up, kill it. Rip it up, kill it. They're just cucking premiums here. Be careful. I don't know. Again, this is the other thing too and again, I think we should go over this here too. It's not necessarily a they because trying to pinpoint who's moving markets around all the time is again child's play. It doesn't fucking matter. The markets are going to do whatever they want, but in terms of just like reading price action, if I see shit like this happening where there's a lot of this is basically indecision where you're in a 50-50 zone. So when I see traffic lights fire off and you're seeing this thing fly around like this in this previous consolidation zone, it kind of takes away the ability to have that higher probability setup there. So it doesn't really matter who's doing it if I can just see it on the chart and be like, yeah, probably not going to touch this because it's just fucking around and there's no clear trend or no clear reversal. And it's almost a cop-out, too, because when people are like, oh, these institutions are moving markets around, who fucking cares? Do you know how many people are making money in this market, stupid money in the market? It's crazy. They don't give a fuck about what the institutions are doing. Sometimes they might think that they're trading with them, but they're not. They're not. Let's see. Yeah, exactly. So when it's chopping around like this, I'm just like, no thanks. Maybe we get a big move towards the end of the day here, but we'll see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. We are 5 likes away from 100. Yeah, Tesla, same chop. Tessie. Okay, watch Tesla going into the end of the day here. It's probably going to be the deciding factor on where the market wants to go. If Tessie starts ripping into close on this investor day, SPY might get a little pop here, but you're seeing some choppy nonsense here that I don't like. Crypto B, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Remember, guys, everybody that's sitting in this live chat right now, I fired off the warning shots. Your last chance to get in for 2 weeks for free to the platform is Friday. If you don't do it before then, you are getting left behind and you no longer get a ticket to Print City for free with us. You're going to have to pay when you commit. So, team, make sure you guys take advantage of that before we kill that 2 weeks for free. If you don't do it, you're going to get left behind. It's okay. But we're going to continue sitting over here printing money in the market all day long and just kind of taunting everybody else that isn't in there with us. I honestly think I like going under like if I saw what was being discussed in like other communities, I'd literally probably have an aneurysm. I'd be like, what in the fuck? Like, what's in terms of what? In terms of trading? I used to trade a lot of news and earnings. Basically what I would do is I would take very small positions on basically quick events. So like earnings positions were always small. I would wait for news to come out, play that, scalp it quick. Not what you want to be doing. Not what you want to be doing over the long haul. Because you can like I've really ripped accounts up doing that, but it's not like a sustainable thing to do. I can just sit here and print money in the market with the traffic lights all day long. Would a single ticker be better than trading SPY for someone who is struggling with the volatility? I really like how SPY moves. So, I mean, maybe like a TQQQ. I know a lot of guys like. Shelly, how you doing? How you guys doing? Dude, my belly is going fucking crazy over here. It's just like yeah, yeah, just get a little time on it. I love SPY. SPY's awesome, dude. SPY's great for the 1 minute as long as you have proper risk management. Yeah, if you're not solid with managing risk, don't touch the 1 minute. Yeah, Orlando, what expirations are you playing? Hanging in there, bag holding proudly. Oh, Shelly. I tried to help you guys. See, I like Shelly because Shelly can come in here and not be like, I hate you. It's like, yeah, made a mistake. 2 to 3 days out. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Even if you're trading another ticker, you still want to keep an eye on SPY. Oh, 100%. That's why when I'm trading Tesla or Nvidia or anything, like I will base some of my Tesla trades on what SPY is doing or Nvidia is doing. We did it yesterday. Your other plays are doing well. Awesome. I just hope that they're not the same types of trades. Like wild YOLO gambles because Shelly, at the end of the day, you don't need it. I mean, I bet you guys have seen that millionaire interview with us. Jason crushed it with us. I mean, it's possible, man. Oh, dude, my whole stomach is fucked up. I don't know what I'm gonna eat tonight, bro. I'm on the struggle train, dude. Oh, this is no fun. I did have another Tums though. Oh yeah. Let's see. Let's see here. King Dow. Well, good luck. Good luck. Let's see. Ginger tea and probiotics. It's cool. I'm an OG. There we go, Shelly. Yeah, I'm taking a bunch of Tums. That's helping, I think, over here. That one was just, I thought that was going to be bad. Who? Use some tequila for a few burritos? Nah, that would be bad. Do we miss the entry for the SPY yellow traffic light on the daily? I mean, not really, but you would have to play it at minimum 2 months out. Ginger. Yeah, my stomach just freaked out for a bit, and now it's better because I, you know, figured it out, man. All right, let's see. On the 1 minute, you're trying to convince. No, I know. Yeah, if it helps you, cool. I would just say that if you're gonna stray away from the strategy and then you start having problems, I'm gonna yell at you for not listening to what we say. Just fair warning. Did I drink too much last night? No, I'm sick. Been living in Prince City for about a year plus now. Mayor Vic seems nice and President Gabe has our back. I live in the OG neighborhood. 1.2% on the port today. Crack a beer and sit back in Prince City. There you go. Maybe too much coffee on an empty stomach. No. I'm just sick. It happened yesterday. Or it actually happened Monday night. And then I woke up yesterday feeling like death. I feel better today. My stomach's all fucked up for some reason. I should be fine in 2 days. Let's see. You're not straying away from the strategy though. Anything you threw salt on top? You don't need to do that though. Oh yeah, that's true. Ivan is. What do you call it? Hopefully you don't have the stomach bug that everybody's catching. I think if I did, I would have known by now. I think at this point, because I started having it this morning, I would have figured out if I was fucked or not. Let's see. Tessie wants it. Tessie might want it here, but we'll see. I mean, the travel got you in here, running up a little. You got a level at 202.86. If it breaks that, you could be off to the races. I mean, Stressless stressed me out yesterday, so I burned it today on Stressy and then just traded Spy all day long. Well, don't get us sick. Well, that's my goal over here. That's like the only reason why I'm streaming all day with you guys is so I can try and get all of you sick in a week to 10 days. No, I'll be fine. It was a playground skank. Nah, I mean, it could have been. I was at the playground last weekend. Not going this weekend. Sorry to everybody that loves when I go to the playground. I highly doubt you're watching this live stream because I tell people I sell crack there. Let's see. Yeah, dude, it was packed in there. I might show you guys one of the videos I have with the traffic light sign, but it was packed. All right, team. Spy's just kind of teetering here. Tessie, same deal. Just kind of chopping around. There's not really much that's actionable over here, guys. So, team, keep running up those likes and make sure that you guys are hopping in for 2 weeks for free, or else you're going to get left behind. I'll throw that link in here for you guys one more time. Let me see. Friday's the last day, so here you go. Watching people smoke crack burns an image into your head. You don't want. Yeah, true. Crack is just another name for 1348. Yeah, it is. It's probably syphilis. It's not. Oh, Barry. Holy shit, dude. Look at this, guys. Again, another success story. They are countless. 7% for the day, up 107% on the port since last Tuesday. 0 red days for you. Fuck yeah, Barry. That is amazing. Again, there you guys go. Yeah, Grunt. I don't give a fuck about Bed Bath & Beyond. Don't care. Do you know what I like to call those stocks? Retail money pits. Because most of retail is going to struggle a lot with them because they're going to hold on for way too long. If you're just trading them with the traffic lights and you're good to go, fine. I can't say anything if you're trading with good risk management. Go nail it. But if you're one of those people that thinks like, oh, it's going to go crazy, I have some news for you. It's not. But Barry, congratulations, buddy. Do you guys want to know the most wild thing ever? Ready? Ready? The amount of money. So here's what people do. The amount of money that people lose on those stocks is so astronomical, but they think in their mind that they just need one of those to hit and they'll be fine. But the fact that they keep doing it, when they hit one, it's just bringing them back to break even. Now, what they don't think is the right way to go is just slowly stack up compounding gains because they're like, well, I don't want to be in this for a while, blah, 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 blah. It's going to take too long. Well, that's the whole point of the game, to be in this for a while. And stack up those 1 to 3% days and be good to go and put the power of compounding interest on their side. But the thing is that the people who are actually focusing on compounding, everybody in the 1348 platform is the real winners in this market because everybody else is chasing these lottery tickets and they always lose. So they're going to be like, I hate the market, blah, 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 blah. And by the time that they finally realize what they should be doing in the market, it's too late and they don't have enough money. Sucks. Sucks for them. Good thing you guys are in the right place, man. What happens if you have shares in a stock that gets delisted? Oh, you get fucked. So basically it gets downlisted to like OTC and then the volume's super lower and the price is gonna tank. So you're pretty much fucked. So Spy slipping back. Ooh, that's an aggressive candle there. Tessie, traffic light. That traffic light down wasn't terrible there. There you go. I mean, again, this is just in that chop zone. I'm not touching it in here. You saw it back here. You saw it back here. You saw it back here. What's wrong with coin? I don't know. Let's take a look. Nothing's wrong with coin. Just traffic light down, moving around. You don't need to know what's going on with it. You just play the traffic lights. Super volatile stock, but exactly, Mr. Music, exactly. That's what people do. The funniest thing ever is that, like, people would try to come in and be like, "I'm up 20% on the day on my port. I'm up 200% on the day on my port." And it's like, "Yeah, but you're fucking down 90% overall. Shut the fuck up. You made money on one day. I've been green for, like, the last 2 months." Like, the last, like, however many months, guys. Like, come on. 4 for 4 today between appointments. There you go. It's so strange. They're like they're literally just gamblers. They have a fucking gambling addiction and they're so self-centered that they're just like, I only wanna make money on this." And it's like, that's not how the market works, asshole. Let's see. What are we gonna get here, team? What's the market gonna do? How long did you trade before buying more contracts? I don't know what you mean by that. Like when I started buying, I was pretty much always buying multiple contracts at a time. Let's see. Remember, I used to be a little degen. I wouldn't date like previously I wouldn't day trade a lot though. Like I like remember when we like I had that little stretch of time like either last month or the month before where I started swinging again. I was like, "Oh, I forgot how fucking nasty I am with these." Like I was like, "Oh, I forgot that this used to be like what I do." Let's see. Steel? Yeah, steel was crazy. Remember that one day? I think honestly, one of the turning points of like just slowly stacking up compounding gains is when I was on the live stream with Gabe in the afternoon and I was up like 30% on Micron. And he was like, "What the fuck are you doing?" And I was like, "Yeah, you're right." Just take it. What is the most amount of contracts I've traded before so far on the 1 minute? I think it's above 50. 50 to 100, I think. I've had some big boy positions on them. You got fucked so hard and fast by X, never again. Yeah, you guys remember when I got my revenge though on steel? Like, yeah, I've had some large size positions. Dude, I think I had 22 Tesla contracts one day. Like, it happens, man. It's fun. I don't know. Maybe that was SPY. I don't know what it was. There was one day where I had a lot of Tesla, and it was fun. Well, it was fun for like 20 minutes. Most of the day was not fun. You'll get there? You all will. Well, it depends on the day too. I think that day with the Teslas, they were like it was like a Thursday, and I had next days, and I was degening a little bit. Someone's getting a Ferrari soon enough. That's why I don't think I'm gonna buy the Aston Martin. I think I'm gonna just wait and get the Pista, and then I'm gonna go on Twitter and flex on everybody who talks shit to us. Be like, "Yeah, what up, bitch?" And then I'm not gonna flex again because it's stupid. Be like, "Yeah, oh yeah, I told you this shit is nasty." Well, here's the thing though, like that Tesla or SPY position could be worth like it depends. Like you could say I could say that I had like 22 Tesla contracts on like leaps and that's like a what 50, 60, 70, $80,000 position or they expire that day and it's like a 2 grand position. Like it depends on what you're trading. Was it a daily? No, it was not a daily. Was it a leap? No, somewhere in between. Yeah, guys, I mean, again, I show you guys this system every single day. Works super well. You guys see the amount of success that our people have in the live chat all the time. Again, you want to hop in there for your 2 weeks for free. You have until Friday to do so, or else you don't get your access for 2 weeks for free anymore. We're pulling the plug on that. After that, guys, it's over. It is over. No more 2 weeks free. Yeah, I do want a Ferrari, though. The thing is, though, is that I would never buy it. I don't think if I was living here, because even if I was going to drive it around a little bit, I don't think I'd just be like, I'm going to scuff it. I'm going to like do something stupid to it and it would get fucked up. So probably not going to buy it here. I'd have to move first. Which then if I move, the tax savings would just pay for it. Not like the payment, like not like the fucking car. Like that would be ridiculous. That's a what? Yeah, I actually think I'm a little bit further away from the pista. Like it's like a really expensive car, bro. Like really expensive. Andy, what? As if you would have a Ferrari and still Uber and a Prius? No, I would. I would. Some of my friends make fun of me, or one friend in particular, makes fun of me for not taking Uber Blacks, and I'm like, why? I don't need it. Like, I don't care. I'm literally driving for like 5 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, those cars are wildly expensive, bro. Maybe you can start doing racing school classes. I would love that. Driving is one of my randomly good skills. Driving, shooting, darts, pool, nasty at ping pong. I'll fuck any of you guys up in ping pong. Tennis, you have no chance. Golf, you're probably getting sparked too. Just like random things that like nobody gives a shit about. Watch Tesla fall, is it? Oh, what a traffic light there, dude. Yep, another traffic light that you guys that aren't in the platform missed. It's all right. Maybe next time. Do you guys hear that? That was my stomach. You accept the challenge? No, you're not winning. I have a certain talent. I don't want to know your talent, John. I really don't. It's killer at water polo. I actually think I'd suck at water polo. Treading water, like endurance sports like that, I probably like running, I suck at. You'll have more fun doing race schools and going to the Vegas track and spending oh yeah. That would be fun. He's a world champion at grab ass. You deleted the blue pill lines for the spy. Well, I stopped getting them now. Probably, yeah, dude. Do I like soccer? I actually really don't like soccer at all. That's like one of my pet peeves, people who like soccer. Some Imodium? No, I know. I was gonna get some, and then I was like, whatever. Yeah, I hate soccer. It's so boring. Like I was watching my brother like soccer, and I'm like, you're a loser. And he's like, well, I'm better than you at everything. I'm better than you at life. And I'm like, fair enough, but soccer's still shit. Let's see. I just don't like it, man. This is so boring. Yeah, I think I was watching some of the World Cup. Let's see. Chasing dudes in grass all day. I don't play soccer, bro. Sorry. Oh, all right. Spy's coming back up here. Sorry, dude. Our group chat with like me, Gabe, Ivan, and Andy gets fucking hilarious sometimes. Is he tougher than me? I don't think so. I'm also way younger than him, and he's like old now. So like maybe back in his day when he was my age, it would have been like a battle, but not anymore. My other brother, nah, no, that dude was beast. Let's say. KPR, yeah. Yeah. All right. Spice. I don't like any of this fucking price action here. None of it. It's not clean. It's just fucking around. Tessie, maybe it might get a little pop it going into the end of the day, but I'll take my 3.5% and go home. Are we talking about tweezer tops? Fuck no. Fuck no. I think he's 30. How old am I? I think he's 35. 36. I think he's 35. He's either 35 or 36. Pretty sure he's 30. Oh, he might be 36. I don't know how old he is, but he's old though. I do kind of want him to come to the playground with me though, because he used to do that shit back in the day. It was different though. They let you like spray things everywhere. Now you can't. It's kind of nonsense. Well, let's see here. What do we have tomorrow for economic data? Oh fuck yeah! Initial claims. We're probably gonna get continuing as well. Productivity revision. That's gonna get interesting, and then that's it. So, Playboy Kari speaking at 6. Yeah, nothing too crazy tomorrow. You know, SV can do damage because his hand looks like an oven mitt next to his face. Yeah, I got giant hands, and I'm quick. I got big ass hands and feet, bro. But that's a nuisance. I wish my feet were fucking smaller. I can't walk up stairs without tripping because they don't fit on the damn stair. It's like this. It's bullshit. In college, when I was hammered and I have to go up the stairs, I'm falling down every time. Nailing, smacking my shin on the corner of a stair. I hated it. Let's see. Market slow going into the end of the day. All right, let's see. Don't go bragging. I'm not. It's dude, you guys are we've talked about this so many times. Like I'm clumsy as shit sometimes. Because I'm walking around with fucking flippers, bro. It's annoying. Let's see. All right, guys. Keep slapping that like button on the way in. We got some slackers in here. Let's see what the market's going to do. There's really nothing going on here. Tessie's trying, but I don't think it's going to really get that move. Nancy flatline right under that 1 minute 200. Just let the thing go. Ow. Puts on Rita soon. It's a biotech. I'd probably just stay away from it. But if you wanted to do that, go for it. It's a biotech that just got FDA approval, I believe. I saw that news come through the other last night. I'd probably burn it, but do what you got to do. Nvidia ready to find new lows. That would be really aggressive at 225. You catch a $2 move on Nancy. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know about that. Done for the day on the account, up 3.55% on one. The other one up 0.75. 11 days in a row on the smaller one. Attaboy, Luigi. Attaboy. I mean, you guys are killing it, man. I mean, there's no way around it. The results speak for themselves with all you guys printing every single day. So again, you guys want to be a part of it or not? Make that decision before Friday because you are going to be left behind. That's time. Oh man, dude, I hate when they do this in the afternoon where it's just like nothing because we have so much fun in the mornings when we see all these crazy moves and then it's just like pitter patter all the way down. Done with today anyhow. There you go, Anthony. There you go, bud. Hopefully you made some good money, pal. Have I ever hit my toes playing golf? No. What? No. Why the fuck would I swing and hit my foot? 7 days in a row on the bigger game. Oh, attaboy, Luigi. There you go. No, I have not hit my feet. Jesus Christ. Oh, man. Oh, about the feet? No. A 22? No, bro. I have like a size like 13 or 14 depending on the brand. Bro, you can't size 22 feet? What are you, fucking Yao Ming? You all have a great day. You too, Luigi. You too, buddy. When's the next Fed meeting? I want Powell. I want Powell. Give me Powell. Nope. No Powell. I want more Powell. Sticking to 1% a day, I will hit my goal in about 350 days. Hitting 20% days like I have all week will get you there in 44 days. Andrew, the reformed ape, attaboy. There you go. You've been hitting 20% days with us? Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go, pal. I mean, again, you guys that are on the outside here, it must really suck sitting on the outside and being like, damn, all those people in there are making money and I haven't even gotten in for my 2-week free trial. Yeah, dum-dum. Let's see. But Andrew, congratulations, buddy. That is awesome. Yeah, dude. I know like 20% days. I can't even remember the last time I had a fucking 20% day. Oh, dude. Yeah. Okay. Dude, you guys are Ivan and Andy, if you're watching the stream right now, I'm laughing way too hard at this shit. I gotta turn my phone off. I can't be looking at this shit when I'm live. It's too much. Oh my god. Those are the ones that hit their feet with clubs? Yeah, I guess so. Not me. Not me. Compared to them, I got little baby feet. Dude, this is such nonsense price action. All right. What do we got here? It has not moved, bro. Tessie flatlined. NVIDIA doing nothing. Guys, what a day today, man. We fucking killed it again. We killed it yet again, bro. What a day. What a freaking day, man. Oh, and tomorrow's only Thursday. We got 2 more trading days left this week. Woo! I love it. I love it, man. 212 days, I'll be a millionaire. KPR. Good shit, buddy. Good shit, dude. Come on. We got our Tums ready to go, bro. On tap over here. We're just letting them fly with what is it? Calcium bullshit? Yeah, calcium carbonate. Give me that nonsense. Give me that. NVIDIA travel light to the downside? Yeah, I see it right here. There she goes. There she goes again. Like that's Kenny G. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. He looks small. I think he is pretty small. There goes Nancy slipping. That's interesting. That's a big candle. Hold on. Is there news on this? Because that's a big candle. Snort some Tums? No. That's a big boy 1 minute candle there. That's like 47 cents. It's not that big. It just looks big in the 1 minute. That's pretty big though. Look at this thing come down. SPY starting to break out of this little choppy zone here. Let's see. NVIDIA paying the bills again. Ah, boy, Wreck-It Ralph. Be careful. If you eat too many of those, you get an ulcer and bleed out my... Okay, thanks. I think this is number 4 today. So I'm probably going to chill the fuck out with them. Just popping in to hit the like button. Made 1% on the port today. Or moniker. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. There you go, man. SPY about to get that 1 day crosstown. Put's going to go burr. Yeah, I mean, it already got the traffic light. No, you did, Wreck-It Ralph. You did. I wouldn't say new lows. I mean, it would have to get down here to 225, but that's a big candle there. If you hit this on the traffic light, you killed it. Good for you, buddy. You just got 1348. Let's go, everybody. Give a nice warm welcome to Daily Bread, hopping in for his 2-week free trial. Welcome. You have made the best decision that you could possibly make in the market today, man. So, team, again, if anybody else wants to hop in before we kill the 2-week free trial, I'm just running out. Friday's your last day, but everybody, give a nice little warm welcome to Daily Bread. That's awesome, man. Hey, Vix, enjoy your evening. To anyone sitting on the fence, this place is life-changing. Pepe, I appreciate that, buddy. Daily Bread, let's get you printing, dude. In and out, 17%, fun, small position. Attaboy. Attaboy. There you go. There you go, man. That's a good trade. 17%, nice little hit there. That's fire. Good for you, dude. Welcome to the winning team, says Tor. There we go. How do we get an affiliate link? So what you do is you go over here. You go into your account platform. You go into your account. You go into settings. And then you go like become an ambassador. And once you do that, I'll just go over there and approve you. And you should get an email with your code. Or you can go into the affiliate like dashboard. And then you can get your code there, like your link. And you should be good to go. But yeah, I'll approve all you affiliates. You join the Discord after buying the 1348 site. Do I have to get Discord Premium? No. You're all good to go. Once you hop in on platform and you link your Discord to your platform account, you are all good to go, Daily Bread. So those are the instructions, guys. So all of you guys that are like a bunch of you guys that are coming in for your 2 weeks free, what you do is you join up on platform, you sign up for your 2 weeks free, and then you scroll all the way down here on the left, hit join the conversation, and you can link your Discord account to your platform account, and then you have access to the entire Discord community. So you guys go. But yeah, Daily Bread, make sure you go in. You watch all of those curriculum videos that are listed down here, 1348 strategy, all of these videos, all about the bots. Hold on. These videos right here. The options trading ones are going to be super helpful. And then if you do end up deciding to upgrade to lifetime or 3-year or lifetime payment plan, masterclass replays are going to be down here. More downside possible below the 13 rejection. Well, we'll see. SPY's starting to head up here. If it holds here and starts to run, that could get interesting. Going into round 2. See y'all tomorrow. John, if your girlfriend's listening, tell her to make sure she does a good job. So let's see. Hey, you're starting to turn up here. Turn up. All right, let's see. Thanks, F Shack. You guys are funny, bro. You guys are funny. All right, let's see what we want to get here. SPY, what do you want to do today, pal? It's hitting that 1:48 there. Let's see. Let's see what we want to get. It's peaking. She's peaking. Ambassador request submitted and link to your site included for reference. Thanks again, SUV or moniker. Let me take a look at that. What do you got going on over here, pal? What do you got going on over here? Oh, very cool. But it says I cannot type anything there. What channel can we talk on? You see 4 people in the voice Discord part. If you can't talk on anything, Daily Bread, did you link it with your platform account? Market Talk is the one that everybody's talking in usually, though. You be more fun play. I don't. What are you saying, Wrecker Ralph? Little rejection there on the SPY. Do we get 30% on all plans? Not all of them. Some of them you don't. You think you linked it? Okay. Am I in Chicago? No, I'm in Boston. So if you linked it, you should be good to go, and then you can see Market Talk and everything like that. Everything that people are talking in. Will, make sure you're watching all those videos, man, on the traffic lights. In the live streams and everything. We're playing everything over here. The traffic lights are nasty, though. Like, really nasty. Let's see. It's a green screen? No, it's not. No, Moto, I don't have a fucking green screen, bro. Oh, there goes SPY reaching up a little bit there. There you go. There you go. A little turn and burn here. What are we going to get? All right. Yeah, make sure you guys hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot over here. We got a lot of slackers in here. Let's see if we can run it up to 150 here. Let's see. It doesn't like this here. I mean, you do have a traffic light. It's still holding nicely. It's just got to break above this 48, which I don't think it's going to do. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Where's Nancy? And it's hovering here. All right, guys, it is 3 p.m. We are going to be wrapping up the live stream over here. Again, guys, it is your last chance to hop into for 2 weeks. The girls are all up over 10% on the day. All of the Ritas. Holy fuck, bro. Dude, we broke the stock market. That is so sick. All right, guys. So that is the link right there to the platform. Hop in for your 2 weeks for free. You have until Friday to do that. If you don't, you're getting left behind. Algo, can you send over that spreadsheet of the Ritas as quick as you can? Because I might do a short form video with them tonight. So team, again, there's a link right there to hop into the platform. Get after it or get left behind. So team, that's it for me today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be on the lookout for those short form videos a little bit later. Peace.